All right. Let's do it again.
Mommy tell him, come on. He say, no, come here, mommy, haha.
And then?
你在说他是谁
Boy. He's robust. He's not robust. He's boy sitting on the robust.
Oh, sit down. Sit down.
Oh, he
不
sit
是
on a
他
robot.
买了一个机器车在外面玩，对不对？然后他坐上去，骑在这上面，他那个球棒棒打到别人的头。
哦，好讲，从英文讲。
He go to robust. He sit on the robust. He not robust. He is boy. He sit on the robust. Now mommy tell him go clean up. Go to his house. He said no. I don't want to go to the house. Mommy say he raised your hand. He said, Mommy, I want to go to your house.
That's it?
That's
Some
it.
more?
Why not go to the house today?
Oh, why not?
Why not?
What does he say? Why not?
Why not? I must go to the restaurant.
Go to the restroom?
Because I want to.
Go to the restroom instead of go to the house?
Because I want to play outside.
I want to play the outside.
Okay, and then?
You not playing. You don't want it. I play the outside.
这是什么？这是在地球吗
What is this?
？I play
What are you drawing? Is that
不
what
是
you
巴斯
draw?
克堡，一个大的黑球。
这个是一个椭圆形的，叫什么呢？
Oh,
阿
okay.
伟。
All right, okay.
What's this story?
Okay, let me take a look at the picture, okay? Here is the picture, okay? All right, this is the picture.
Two things.
And
two things.
Here is the story, okay? Two things.
Two
Okay.
things. 等于说这上面写的不是
Okay.
encourage your child to label
To
two
label.
things
Oh,
from their story.
okay.
Okay.
This is one story.
Only one story. How about